Hello dear friends. Today I wanted to show you because I'm using Cycles integration into Softimage. I want to show you how to import textures when you work with materials. First thing I wanted to show you, I will turn in preferences shader wall how to display. So we will need to see in material, and first of all I will show you in a minute how to import that material, because we need to also make sure we can see in viewport. I also need to check web page where I can download the texture, because I like one open source web page where you can get textures for free, because you have separate maps included. Because this web page has got great texture. Some of the textures have been uploaded not a very long time ago. For example, Break 092, they uploaded some time ago, but not very far. I will download a 2K resolution texture, because we will be importing that map into Softimage, and I want to show you how to do that properly. Okay, because each map you have to import in different way, because we have displacement map which renderer plugin will support, because they made the proper integration into Softimage, so you can import all maps, but you have to connect each separate. But can be a little bit tricky, but I will show you as good as the best as possible. First of all, when you hit by left mouse button on that principle the BSDF figure, first of all we need to insert image, we need to unfold. After that, make sure you unwrap object. You can divide your viewport, you can go to texture editor, because before you see what type of material, we will have to tell program what texture needs to be used. Okay, select line cut. I done a separate video how to texture objects, but I will do once again because I need to apply material. For commands of the image, I was supposed to use the selection tool, which will be quicker. Set from current edges, unfold and path. And later on, after when I properly unwrap object, I will quickly show you that texture. Forgive me if this may take a while. It shouldn't take long because I was reading video tutorial in ortable format document how to import those files. Okay, let me to do this as well. So I have to be more specific on what I'm doing. Oh no, I have got poly in polygon. How did it happen? I will have to fix that. No good. I'm not happy to see this thing, but I will fix that later. Okay, now what I done wrong? Oh, this doesn't look too good. I think I should be okay. I am now okay to assign completely different map. So what next? I will close that window. I will be importing map into cycles now. We can disconnect this. We can, because this you have to import from different node. Now this cyclist. Okay. I have to start from input. Cyclist texture coordinate. Nodes cyclist. Vector. Cyclist mapping. You click on that so you can connect UV to vector. Now you go to nodes again, cyclist texture, cyclist image texture, vector to vector. You have to connect color to base color. Now we will be able to import our open source map from Ambient CG. But you keep in mind that if you want to see in view art, you will have to go to clips, import clip, so you can see directly in view art your map. Because when you resize window, you cannot see your map. Unfortunately, you cannot really see exactly your map. Okay, I will have to place gizmo here. Oh, okay, by Q button, I must select. Hey, wait a minute. Why didn't I select invisible vertices? Okay, now I can scale. Unfortunately, I will have to rotate people one of the patches. Where that option is, island. Okay, I have to select island will allow you to select that patch. I believe this was that texture. No, I probably got one. I can recognize that building. I need to rotate. Oh no, not everything is as I was expecting. The reason is because I have to fill that fall. I will save project just in case. Polymesh, half poly. This feature wasn't existing in older version of Softimage. This was existing only in Blender and in 3ds Max. But Softimage Autodesk implemented that feature. We fixed our polygon. Also, I will clear up history And also I will freeze transfer, freeze scaling, but make sure you perform that operation after using freeze modeling command and freeze. And okay, by A button we will have to. Oh, I will have to level. Oh no, why have I got this issue? That's strange. I understand. I understand. I had to wait this polygon to be able to fix level issue because one edge wasn't properly connected. Also, I'm using some shortcuts to speed up my workflow. This one has to be connected, that vertex, because I have to texture object once again. I will get to show you how to import other maps, but because I'm waking up to college in the morning to do cleaning work, I won't be able to show you everything. Okay, what we got here? We will have to clean this up because we didn't clean up history. I also have another separate window, Explorer, so you can rename your files. I'll get to do rendering test just after when I finish setting up house. Let's click to unfold. Select line cut. Oh, I'm glad that it selected line cut, so I don't have to select from the beginning. Some edges I will deselect, some unnecessary edges. I'm glad that program did it for me because it is way quicker. People, it is way quicker. This one has to be disconnected. I wish I could have time to have this window frame. This should be connected this point to this, but because of lack of time, I won't be able to do that straight away. What next? Set from current edges, update and pack. Make sure you don't have copy of the texture. I think I see some errors. Oh no, I see some stupid errors came up. This is no good. But at least this frontal building looks okay. Import clip. I have to check how my texture is displaying. It is still not perfect. Why do I see error? You can also speed up when you use oh no. I don't really have much time to do that. I wonder if I could select single polygon to be able to do this, okay? Yes, it is possible to texture the quickest way to save the time, because I was thinking if this was possible only to do that in Blender. I'm glad that I could do this in this program so I can save lots of time. Okay, now we have imported our texture. Now I will be checking if I can render house properly. I can delete history. You can get back. But we have to check render settings. I will have to go to render manager. Cycles render. Okay, we have cycles, but everything needs to be checked from the beginning. Light path film, we deselect transparent. I have to do everything from the beginning. We have denoise, so an image denoise options. We can use graphics card to render. Because we have integration into Softimage, we have integration of the cycles render engine. Oh no, I forgot. I was a little bit too lazy to add the sky texture. Oh no. I don't know how long I will have to wait. Or it will forgive me because my program stopped for a while. I think I have to wait before render starts. Oh no, this shouldn't happen. I'm little bit upset. I Well, I will have to run application once again. Sorry, I just tried to check if everything was working okay. Oh no, why this is working like that? Well, hopefully I still have my project. At least I saved the texture. Oh, I forgot to mention something important. Because to be able to see sky texture, you also have to add a primitive like light, cycles lights, cycles light, cycles background, because otherwise we won't be able to see our texture. What I was supposed to set, it must be value 0 under and primitive like cycles lights, sunlight. Ah, come on, Softimage. This has to be connected. So I can show you how my texture looks like after when I connect this. This has to be connected to background. I think what I done wrong. Oh no, I done something wrong. I should have checked Titan's background. Ah, come on, Softimage. No, this is supposed to have little bit higher value. I think I was supposed to set strength to lower strength, because otherwise I won't be able to see texture. I don't really have much time. Denoise an image, denoise performance, options. Let's check the graphics card. Here we have to deselect transparent to be able to see sky. And because this tutorial was mainly to show you how to import texture, but I'm looking for something important. I'm a little bit angry because I was supposed to save time, but unfortunately didn't save time. Oh no. Forgive me, people. Sometimes I work too slow and it is hard to do everything at once. Hey, wait a minute. Why is this disconnected? I understand because okay, we have imported brick texture, but I still have to fail this. I'm looking forward to see to show you final result. Final result. Copy all. When you do that, you will automatically copy all the textures to your project. And in render materials, I have to check. I have to connect sky texture, cyclist, texture, sky texture, color. Now we have texture of the sky. You can see preview of icon because I want to render the scene to see how this looks like. Pass options. Also, we have the OMEXR format, a new version of Cycle's render engine. Render scene options. I have to set to 1 frame. I have to set a resolution render. Pass options. This can be a little bit tricky. I haven't I have to double check if it works okay. Our sky is leaking. Oh, this is way too bright. This is way too bright. I still have to decrease. I think I still have to decrease. I am not sure if this is supposed to be lower or definitely looks better. This is my final result. You can import cycles, texture, cycles materials. You can import textures, light paths, some link. Oh, let's increase this to 258 performance. We are using the graphics card inside Softimage. Okay, one. If you want to display, when you go to options in cycles renderer, you have to set displays method to 1. Because when you select only through displacement, it will not work. You have to study it, but I set to 1 because I will show you how to import texture displays map. In film we have exposure, so we can slightly decrease. Okay, people, let's render final scene. You can see it takes a little bit longer, but the image will look clean, and I will show you, and it didn't take ages to do that. Softimage projects, house, render picture. This is my final render. I hope you like my video tutorial. Sorry for this. I probably made one error. I have to fix my polygon. I must check what I done wrong, but this can still be fixed. I was a little bit too lazy to use UV camera projection. Okay, let's set gizmo here, transform. I'm a little bit annoyed by this gizmo object because it doesn't help me to save time. Okay, let's render our house once again. I corrected some weird issues with map which I imported from Ambient CG. This tutorial seems to be too long, but I believe this will help you because sometimes publishing tutorials can take ages. But let's check our render. This is what you can do inside the Softimage, but it could look much better if you connect the displays map. But I showed you that it is possible to use this program even in 2024. I hope you like my video tutorial. Sorry people, because I didn't show you how to import other maps. I will probably do that in a separate video tutorial, but as you can see, This is how I connected my maps all together. Everything you learn from the documentation, which you can download it from here. You download the documentation from this web page from here. So you can open up PDF file so you can download on the desktop or whatever, and you will be able to find the topic, how to use lights, how to use materials, how to import textures. Because this will tell you, but I published video tutorial to make things quicker for you, because you can import Ambient CG materials into Softimage application. They are free and open source, and even that type of map you can import. You can see bump or some displacement. What next? Bricks. You can also do that by typing. If you type bricks, only bricks will display various kinds of bricks materials. That one is quite new, which I didn't use, and you can even download in 8K resolution 4K, and not only in Blender you can use those textures, but inside Softimage.